push the safety forward and you're ready to go.
Oh,
don't put, yeah, keep by your hip.
Jesus Christ!
You might not want to keep by your head, Jimmy.
What? I'm good.
What happened to Jimmy? He broke his fucking nose on the grip of the fucking shotgun.
Jesus Christ! That thing's like... Alright, dude. Right here.
Yeah.
Look at it, I got fucking... You want to shoot that thing, babe? I'll throw you back 100 yards.
I got more slugs. I told Freddie I'll save him a few because he never shot one.
Is he coming out?
Yeah, about
Is
1
Freddie going to
o'clock.
be holding the beer like this with a butt hanging outside?
Fred Annis?
One-handed like this.
Oh boy.
Oh.
Oh! Dude, I need to get one of those fucking things.
Yeah. Right on the bottom.
Break yourself, nigga!
Oh, you went through the window.
Yeah. No, you...
Oh, the door!
There you go.
That's it.
Dude, you fucking threw the hole like that.
Is that what Booze and Guns does? I don't know, everybody's
Fucking show offs. This is a pissing contest.
We got the angle, kid. Yeah, that's right. Not bad. Don't put that fucking Wow, right by my ear, guys.
That was fucking awesome.
Dude, that shit is fucking I swear to God, I just lost my hearing.
What was that, 10, Ramon?
Dude, you had to fucking go right near that ear?
Yeah.
Huh?
Pinata out here.
kidding me, dude?
Piñata, it does like a piñata. Sorry, but it ain't.
Not bad, huh?
7 rounds?
Dude, this thing's perfect.
Thanks.
Right, load it up. You can shoot it. Dude, he did it right near my ear.
That one's loud.
It's still ringing.
Huh?
I got it hot. Fuck.
Fucking rednecks.
Take out the whole rear of the car, dude.
You hit the fucking ground every one.
Hit?
Yeah, you hit it once. Right in the right corner, it's all fucking dusty.
You're ready again, eh? Get right in your face. Yeah, you will.
What was that?
Yeah, just keep going.
My
Yeah,
wife
you ready?
says too. I'm fucking
good.
Just shoot the thing. Yeah, it's ready to go.
Don't hit with a fun time.
I'm all ready to go.
Step up and down. Now it's ready to go. 4 times. That little silver.
Things about shooting guns, I can say, yeah. Look, there's another woman shooting guns. Holy fuck, dude. She outshoots you. That's not right.
She doesn't fucking hesitate.
She doesn't fuck around.
I know you're dead.
I got a laser sight and I can't hit her. Come here, back here.
It's gonna fucking. Frank's gonna blow the tree right off.
Ah, saved by the bell.
It's fucking Fred. Fred's gonna spoil the fucking fun for everybody. What a fucking asshole.
Hello. I don't know. Here, talk to Brian. He'll tell you where we are. Hold on.
I'm busy shooting guns.
Oh? You know where, don't take a left to go to the picnic table, take a right to head down to the swamp.
Go for it, Frank.
You go to the top of the hill.
Fucking do it.
Go.
Come fucking find us, Freddy!
Fucking dirty
Oh.
area right
Hey, we're right there.
there. We're right
That-
there. Look at you, nice, baby. Puerto Rican. Oh, shit.
Hold up for the black eye.
Dude, put it right up by your face.
Just cock it.
Cock
back
it.
and forth.
Freddie, aim for the tree stump.
Dude,
Ready.
Oh, yeah. You look like enough. Can I get with it first, and then we go ahead.
so aren't we near fucking Walmart? Let's just go get some bullets.
What's your name,
Where's the safety for, Brian?
Maybe you should be shooting at.
Hey, you gotta stand a
What the
little
fuck
closer.
was that?
You jammed up, that's why.